This is a final video to fix alt account exploiting bans affecting your main Roblox account. And if you've noticed your main account getting blocked or restricted because of another account, you're not alone. Many players face this problem when Roblox detects rule breaking from linked or alt accounts and automatically flags your main account to keep the game fair. Most tutorials online are confusing, involve complicated steps, or require editing game files, which can make things worse. But here on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works every time without risking your account. You need to unlink all alt accounts, clear any shared device data, and reset your login sessions so Roblox treats your main account as completely separate. This method is fast, safe, and anyone can do it in a few minutes. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step guide showing exactly how to do this safely. So leave a comment below and I'll cover it all.